excitement of science, the excitement of using science for public good. I think all of it came through because the CSR exhibition was focused on several themes: health, metallurgy, engineering, water, leather, and so on and so forth. CSR has been contributing to the national cause for the last 75 years, and this was a capsule of that contribution and what we will like to do in the future.
Our journey of this Platinum Jubilee Technofest didn't start on the 13th or 14th of November. It started about 6 months back, wherein we involved over 38 national laboratories. We involved all of them, invited their participation, and it is mainly due to the participation of all our labs, all our scientists at the forum, that has actually culminated into this showcase.
It is a unique kind of combination of science communication, dissemination and public outreach activities. We have group of scientists, group of media persons, science exhibitors, lot of people. They have worked together day and night for making this grand event a successful event. And the turnaround of the people was immense. The program was highly appreciated by one and all, be it scientists, technocrats, common men, or even media persons. Even children found it extremely interesting. There were a couple of activities especially designed for the students, kids, common men, especially the industry people. That was a forum when perhaps first time the industry met with the people who are really working in the hardcore science, and there was a lot of appreciation, lot of combination, lot of communication between both of them.
It's a great day for us today. We got the gold award, and this award is the result of the hard work all of you have done. And this is a program, in my memory, delivered the best way, conceptualized the best way. And I think it's a new beginning for us.
The gold medal goes to Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR.
But many of these younger crowd जो came here, अरे यहाँ तो बहुत कुछ देखने के लिए हुए, तुम तो मुझे वहाँ ले गए थे, मुझे वो बेकार का टाइम बर्बाद हो गया, यहाँ तो चलो यहाँ कुछ टाइम बिताते हैं. So this sort of mixed reaction which was nicely captured by NISTADS, our colleagues from NISTADS, and they have quite a lot to tell us and give us feedback.
अलग-अलग डिपार्टमेंट ने शो किया था CSIR के, तो वो काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव था.
And I'm interested in medicine and also Ayurvedic medicines from India. So that's why I was attracted by these stalls. I went there and looked and had my information and I took pictures.
बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव था, मज़े आए. टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट के बारे में बताया तो अच्छा लगा.
सीविड प्रोजेक्ट, वो जो प्रोजेक्ट है सबसे जो लोएस्ट स्किल पर्सन है दुनिया में, उसको यूज करके वो आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
दवाइयाँ जो लगाने के लिए दर्द की ये दवाई, वो सब कुछ देख के आई हूँ मैं.
Touched each and every sphere of our lives. We have seen products like T-Wine, products like Saheli.
Technology and environment, that was also very nice.
प्लास्टिक से फर्श बनाने का टेक्निक है ना, रिसाइकल कर रहे हैं, वो सब टेक्निक बड़ी है जो आने वाले समय में काम आ सकता है.
I went through this pavilion and I found some technologies in resource development and technology for the poor and some technologies related to digital India, and I found it worth.
I have seen this pavilion and it was very amazing. Now our India has been very technological and digital.
उम्मीद करते हैं कि भारत के मजबूत करने के लिए आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं और अच्छा आपको रिस्पांस मिलना चाहिए. CSIR का जो लक्ष्य है वो इस पे पूरा होता है.
We have carried out a very extensive survey by approaching them directly, or they have come also voluntarily to our survey booths, to our survey desk, filled up questionnaire to express their opinion about all the stalls, about overall CSIR's contribution and performance, and what they would like more from CSIR.
Congratulate all of you for a great job, and let us hope that this is a harbinger of many, many glorious days to come. Thank you very much. I have no words other than these to express my joy and happiness and gratitude to this whole team which made things possible. 11th hour, 59th minute inputs that we all have to put in to make a show like this working, and not only working, actually become a grand success. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's have a round of applause for Rahul.